particularly hard hit.
The national unemployment rate is 9.6%, but for African Americans, it is 16%.
I applied at many places and nothing, no callbacks, no nothing.
White American men aged 20 and older suffer joblessness at 8.7%. For black men, it's 17.3%.
It's kind of hard because, I filled out a couple applications and nothing went through, but I'm just waiting.
And more than 45% of black youths between 16 and 19 are out of work.
Howard University's Wilmer Leon says that's because many African Americans lack access to education and training which could help them get a job. And he says racism is often at play, despite laws against discrimination.
It's disillusioning, but hopefully something will happen.
At this point, it gets pretty desperate. I mean, you're pretty low in savings. You're looking at using up, 401k stuff.
And he said he might have a job for me teaching culinary at his school. I can do that. So I have 3 hours to go home and put together the piece of cobbler and the sweet potato pie, and I'm going to do that.
Many companies said they were not going to hire on the spot, instead gathering resumes for when jobs do open up.
The unemployment rate for African Americans is just over 16%, double that of white Americans.
Yes,
Long story short, Bush sucks. I need a job. I went to school. It's a waste of money. I'm now in debt because of my student loans. Nobody's hiring, and I came to Atlanta. I'm coming from Savannah, actually. So I actually drove here, stayed in line. I've been here since 10 o'clock.
People are hurting here in Atlanta. People are here from every walk of life and from every city, town, country, and state. And we're all looking for the same thing, gainful employment to support our families.
You have the fighter who fought to get free of slavery, who probably killed to be free of slavery, and who also was a great thinker, a scientist, a musician, whose sons were musicians and scientists, who was a leader, like many others who fought the fight against slavery in the United States. They didn't wait for something to descend upon them from above. They didn't wait for a little good thing to drip down on them. Their luck was go out and fight for it.
It means that the black man should control the politics of his own community and control the politicians who are in his own community. My personal economic philosophy is also black nationalism, which means that the black man should have a hand in controlling the economy of the so-called Negro community. He should be developing the type of knowledge that will enable him to own and operate the businesses and thereby be able to create employment for his own people, for his own kind.
As I said to the group last night, nobody else can do this for us. No document can do this for us. No Lincolnian Emancipation Proclamation can do this for us. No Kennysonian or Johnsonian Civil Rights Bill can do this for us. If the Negro is to be free, he must move down into the inner resources of his own soul and sign with a pen and ink of self-assertive manhood his own Emancipation Proclamation.
I say it again, what do you have to lose? Look, what do you have to lose? You're living in poverty. Your schools are no good. You have no jobs. 58% of your youth is unemployed. What the hell do you have to lose?